Hello friends, welcome to Learn Positive with Pradeep Kumar. If you are seeing my channel, please like, comment and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification symbol. We are going to see about Strength of Material, Unit 1, Chapter 1, Statics of Particles. The topic was Solution for Problems, Class 3. If you want to see my previous videos, please visit my channel and see all the videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Solution for problem 3. The question was, the resultant of two forces when they act at an angle of 60 degree is 14 Newton. So here the two forces acted and the resultant was 14 Newton and the angle of the resultant is 60 degree. If the same forces are acting at a right angle, so the same force is acting at the right angle means here we take a case 2, the same force act at right angle in 90 degree. Right angle means it acts in the 90 degree of angle. The resultant will be root 136. So here we have the same forces, same two forces, but it acts in different angles and we get different resultant. And now determine the magnitude of two force. So we have to find the two forces, value of two forces. Given data, we take case 1 and case 2. The resultant of case 1 was 14 Newton and resultant of case 2 is root 136 Newton. And the angle between the case 1 is 60 degree and angle of case 2 is 90 degree. To find, we have to find the value of force P and Q. Now solution for this problem, I take the case 1 first. So we use the resultant of formula R equal to root of P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. I substitute the values of case 1, R equal to 14, P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta equal to 60 degree. So we know the value of cos 60. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So the 2 in the both are cancelled. And the root was transferred from this side to that side of the equal. So it becomes 14 square equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ. Now the value of 14 square is 196. So 196 equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ as the first equation in the case 1. Now we are going to see the case 2. I take the same resultant formula in that and I substitute the case 2 values. So resultant for root 136 and P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos 90. So the value of cos 90 is 1. So 2 into 1 is 2. We get the answer as root 136 equal to root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ. Now we are going to see this P square plus Q square plus 2PQ is similar to P plus B whole square formula. What does it means? A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. So that's why I take as this root 136 equal to root P plus Q whole square. And cancel the root on both sides. We take 136 equal to P plus Q whole square. Now substitute the square on both values. We get 136 equal to P square plus Q square as equation 2. And now I subtract the equation 2 from 1. The first equation was 196 equal to P square plus Q square plus PQ as we saw before in the case 1. In case 2, 136 equal to P square plus Q square as second equation. Now we subtract the both from 1 to 2. So 196 minus 136 is 60. P square is cancelled. Q square also cancelled. We take the PQ as in the bottom. So now I am going to multiply the equation 3 by 2. 3 into 2. So we take 60 into 2 is 120 and PQ into 2 is 2PQ as equation 4. I made this because of to bring the equation 2 as the A plus B whole square formula. So I added the fourth equation in second equation. Add equation 4 in equation 2. The equation 2 was 136 plus PQ, P square plus Q square, and the equation 4 was 120 equal to 2PQ. So we added 136 plus 120 is 256 and the value of P square and Q square plus 2PQ. Now we have the value of p square plus q square plus 2pq. So as p plus p q whole square, and we know 256 is the value of 16 square. So I take that as 16 square equal to p plus q whole square. Now I cancel the square on both side. We get 16 equal to p plus q. And now I am going to find the value of p. So I transfer the q from this side to that side. So the from the q on this side was in the plus sign, it goes to the other side, means it becomes minus. So p equal to 16 minus q. It is as a equation 5. Now I am going to substitute the equation 5 in equation 3. So the value of p equal to 16 minus q in equation 3. Equation 3 was pq equal to 60. Now the value of p was interchanged as 16 minus q into q equal to 60. So the q is multiplied by in both of that. So it becomes 16q minus q into q square equal to 60. Now I take the 60 on transfers to this side. So it changed the sign of the 60. So it becomes 16q minus 6 square minus 60 equal to 0. Now I have to form it as a regular equation. So I take the highest value to lowest value. I write it as a highest value to the lowest value. So the highest value in this was q square. So I take it as first, and second was 16q, and third was 60. And now notice that the highest value is in negative symbol. So I change the symbol of the highest value. It change overall the equation. So q square was changed as positive, and 16q was changed as negative, and minus 60 is changed as a positive sign. And now I get the regular equation. From this I have to see at the right side box square. We have 60 and minus 16. We have to get the value as splitted value into 10 into 6. 10 6 are 60, and 10 plus 6 is 16. But I have to make minus 16. So I put the negative sign on minus 10 and minus 6. Now minus 10 into minus 6 is plus 60, and minus 10 plus minus 6 is minus 16. So I take the value as q minus 10 and q minus 6 equal to 0. So q value becomes q minus 10 equal to 0 and q minus 6 equal to 0. It will be q equal to 10 or q equal to 6. We have the either value, q may be 10 or 6. Now I substitute the both value in the equation 5. So equation 5 was p equal to 16 minus q. I have to substitute the value of q in this. So p equal to 16 minus 10, it becomes 6. P equal to 16 minus 6, it becomes 10. So here also I get the value as p equal to 10 and p equal to 6. The 10 and 6 are same in both answers, p and q. So I get it is a common value, get it as a common value. So I put p equal to 10 Newton and q equal to 6 Newton means, or else p equal to 6 Newton and q equal to 10 Newton. Both the answers are correct. We take anyone as a result. I take here the first become the largest and second become the smallest. So in result I write p equal to 10 Newton and q equal to 6 Newton. You take the both as a result, it become correct only.